How did I become a director in one of the fastest growing agencies in the UK right now? Well, I'm gonna have to take you all the way back to when I was 17 years old. This is really where it all started for me, and what I mean by that is I literally left sixth form and was put straight into work, right? And being from Birmingham, the industrial revolution was really built here. That is the kind of work I was pushed into. So for almost 6 years, I'd worked in factories, all kinds of factories, back-breaking work. Give a lot of gratitude to that industry because it's taught me a lot. It's given me, the consistency. It's one of the main things that business requires is consistency, staying consistent, and that is what I gained from that industry. But I could never really reach my full potential doing what I was doing there. How long is it going to take me to get to where I want to get to? And when I analysed that, I would have been ready to retire before I would have, done what I wanted to do in life. And that's really what led me to, I've got to be honest, searching for the get-rich-quick schemes. How can I work from home? How can I make money from home? Escaping the rat race, that was always the thing for me. How can I get out of this? How can I reach my full potential? Because I knew I had a lot more to give. The factory industry, it almost broke me, for sure. It really did. And what I mean by that was, I was giving so much to an industry and wasn't really, receiving what I wanted to. And whenever you get into a situation like that in any circumstances in life, it's a vicious circle. That's really where the change happened. I took the leap. I started investing in myself, and I invested a lot of money, and even that didn't work. I thought that was it for me. I thought, I'm going to invest this money, I'm going to learn new skills, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and it still didn't work for me. And I'm sure I'm not the only person that's experienced that. I think you ask the majority of entrepreneurs out there today, and we've all been through it. Money invested, money lost, big failures. But what that actually leads to is greatness, because you cannot win without failures. You cannot win. And that's really where I learned the most. I learned from those mistakes, and that's when I come across the right person. I think that's the main thing for me, was I found the right person that was giving me the solutions that I needed, which was Aaron, who today is my business partner. And that's really where the change happened. See, for me, failure is really just a catalyst for change. And the question that I've got for you is, are you scared to fail?